Good morning everyone, this is Neeraj Kumar. Today as well I am here to continue reported speech. I hope you will be listening to me very carefully. So my dear students, today let us start with rule number 1. As you can see at the board, while changing into indirect speech, at first we have got to check that reporting a verb must be in second form. It must be in past indefinite. That means said, S-A-I-D, said. If reported speech starts with subject like whether it is I, you, we, they, he, she, it, or any name, right? Then in this case, said becomes said to changes into told, and after removing comma, inverted comma, we'll have to use conjunction that. After that, we'll have to use simple form of sentence. I hope you understand it. Now let us move ahead. My dear students, please have a look. When we find the words in reported speech, given here, I, me, my, mine, we, us, our, ours, right? Change according to the subject of reporting speech. That means when the words like I, me, my, mine, we, us, our, ours found in reported speech, these have got to be changed according to the subject of reporting speech, my dear students. So now I just make you understand with the help of example. Here I just note down an example. He said to me, commas begin, I am going to school today. I am going to school today. Full stop, inverted comma close. So my dear students, I just have noted down an example here at the board. He said to me, commas begin, I am going to school today. So look at the reported speech first. सबसे पहले आप reported speech को देखिए and look at the subject of reported speech. वो क्या है बेटा? वो I है. And just few seconds back I told you, when you find the words like I, me, my, mine, right? That has got to be changed according to the subject of रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच. कभी भी रिपोर्टेड स्पीच के अंदर अगर आई से रिलेटेड या वी से रिलेटेड कोई भी वर्ड आ जाए, दैट हैज़ गोट टू बी चेंज्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड इट. सो नाउ आई जस्ट मेक इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. he told me that I is to be changed according to he. Now we will change the tense of reported speech. अब हम reported speech का tense बदलेंगे क्योंकि हमारी रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट इंडेफिनिट में है. सो the tense of reported speech is present continuous. Present continuous बदल जाता है past continuous. Present continuous अब while making indirect speech, it is to be changed into past continuous, my dear students. So he was going to school that day. Now please just take a look on indirect speech. I have made it. He told. Said to becomes told. मैंने आपको बताया था कि डायरेक्ट स्पीच का सेंटेंस जब हमारा सब्जेक्ट से शुरू होगा, एक असर्टिव सेंटेंस होगा. अब यहाँ पर हमारा जो आई है वो सब्जेक्ट है, तो सेड तो हमारा टोल्ड बन गया है, राइट. एंड आफ्टर द रिमूवल ऑफ कॉमा, इन्वर्टेड कॉमा, विल हैव टू यूज कंजंक्शन दैट. हमें दैट का यूज करना है. हमने यहाँ पर दैट यूज किया, राइट. Now look at the subject of reported speech. अब reported speech के subject को आप देखिए, वहाँ पर I आया हुआ है. I को हमेशा चेंज करेंगे according to the subject of reporting speech. I hope you understand. अब उसके बाद क्या बचा? What is left? Will have to change the tense of reported speech. क्योंकि रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब हमारी पास्ट इंडेफिनिट में है. नाउ रिपोर्टेड स्पीच गिवन इन प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस. यहाँ पर ये प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस है, राइट. एंड विल हैव टू चेंज इट इनटू पास्ट कंटिन्यूस. ऐसे हमें पास्ट कंटिन्यूस में बदलना है. द सेम थिंग आई डिड. यहाँ पर मैंने ऐसे ही किया है. ही टोल्ड मी दैट ही. अब आई को चेंज किया अकॉर्डिंग टू ही. ही वॉज गोइंग टू स्कूल दैट डे. Today changes into that day. I hope you understand. Do you understand? Now let us move ahead. I'll be making you understand by having some more examples. Yes, my dear students, again I have an example for you. Please just have a look. They said to us. उन लोगों ने हमसे कहा था, we have won this match, inverted comma closed, right. So first we will check the reporting verb that must be in past indefinite. Here it is checked, that is into the past indefinite, that means said. Now let us move ahead. We'll have to check the nature of sentence of reported speech, right. It also starts with subject. Here comes we, right. A reported speech का हमने देखा तो means what we have seen. It starts with subject, that is we. All right. Now I'm just going to change into indirect speech. Please just have a look. They told us that. Now as per the rule, we is gonna be changed according to they. Right? So we becomes they. Now just try to recognize the tense of reported speech. Reported speech का tense क्या है? We have won this match. It belongs to present perfect. Reported speech का sentence है हमारा present perfect का. So I told you while changing into indirect speech, so it has got to be changed into past perfect. And what happens in past perfect? Had mean of third form. That they had won that they had won this, that. This changes into that match. So please just have a look. I am going to make you understand. देखिए बेटा, यहाँ पर सेट टू का मैंने टोल्ड कर दिया, राइट? कोमा, इन्वर्टेड कोमा के प्लेस पे दैट आ गया और वी के प्लेस पे दे आ गया. क्यों आ गया? क्योंकि रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में हमारा सब्जेक्ट वी है और मैंने आपको बताया था कि रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में कहीं भी वी से रिलेटेड, वेदर इट इज़ वी, अस, आर्स, always going to be changed according to the subject of reporting speech, right? और मैंने ऐसा ही किया. We have done the same. मैंने we को change कर दिया according to they, तो यहाँ पर they आ गया, right? उसके बाद means I have gone through the tense of reported speech. मैंने reported speech का tense देखा, that is in present perfect. और present perfect किस में बदल जाता है? Past perfect में बदल जाता है. The same I did. They told us that they had won that match. This हमारा that में change हो जाता है. I hope you understand. So my dear students, today I have told you when the subject of reported speech INT, that how to change into indirect speech. I hope you understand. Thank you very much.